Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit on Chime with new job. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the Chime and tap on the move money. So just log in your Chime account and then tap on the move money at the bottom and choose the setup direct deposit. Next step is get the pre-filled deposit form. So tap on the get direct deposit form and then enter your employer's name and email the PDF straight to the agent. Next step is copy the account number and the routing numbers. So if the HR uses an online portal instead, you have to copy the routing and the account numbers shown in the application. Next is submit the details in your employer's portal. So open your employer's HR portal, the Workday, Gusto, or the ADP, and paste the number into the direct deposit section. So just a pro tip, you have to pick the full balance so 100% of your paycheck lands in Chime instead of being split. Lastly is you have to wait for your first early paycheck. So you have to set up usually uh, Lastly is wait for the first early paycheck. So the setup usually goes live within one pay cycle. So the Chime sends you a push notification the moment the funds arrive. So just a tip, once your first $200 plus deposits hits, you unlock the Spot Me overdraft and the fee-free cash advances. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.